today is day 6 of our cleanup project, and we have filled our third 30-yard dumpster. So this is 90 yards now of trash that we've hauled off from the property. We feel like we're making progress. We had some visitors last night. Some tweakers came in and broke into the house, and we were here with the police getting them cited. So you can look at the previous episode to see that. But we did, in order to make the home a little less inviting to some of the folks in the area, we did some cleanup. So with the front porch, we opened it up. We took the lattice off of the porch along with the grapevine and all the screening they had, so it's a little bit more open and inviting, at least to regular neighbors. We've opened up the back here with the wall. That took some work to take down, but it wasn't too hard. It was built so poorly that it came down pretty easily. As we walk into the back, you'll notice that it's looking a little bit cleaner. What we realized is that almost half of everything that's here is metal, and so we've gotten rid of most of the wood and most of the plastic and fabric and soft things, and what we're left with is mostly recyclable material. So we're going to be taking these to the recyclers, so we're not paying for dump fees, and we'll take whatever money's left and use it to get rid of the tires, because there's a lot of those we have to get rid of. So that's our update for now, and stay tuned for more. Evil will always triumph because good is dumb.